Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create collections on Glassdoor. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to the second icon, the saved icon at the top of the screen, and then you can see the create a collection option. So you can save jobs, interview questions, reviews and salaries all in one place. Then click on the create collection, and you have to give a name. Let's say best create. And now you can see the best collection. I have 0 items, but later on I can save things here, and you can write a note as well. Let's try to save something in this collection. Go back to the home page, and then I'm going to search something. Okay, teaching in New York, and I'm going to click on that heart icon, and I can put it on this in this best collection. And let's go back to see if this job is added or not. Yes, it's added, and I can write a note here if something is important and or I want to highlight. And if I click on the 3 dots, I can remove it from this collection. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.